Hello children, today we shall solve second grade maths word problems from chapter addition. From addition chapter we shall solve word problems. So before going into the word problems, we need to know some words. So words which represent addition. Addition means the sign which represents addition is plus sign, right? And words which are used for addition are add, plus, total, sum, altogether, in all. Okay, now we shall solve the word problems which are given in your textbook. First one. What is given in the question? There were 81 people traveling in a train. 9 more people got in. How many people are there in the train now? Okay, there were 81 people. What is given? First, whenever you write a word problem, okay, solution of word problem, what do you need to write first? First, you need to write that given. Okay, what is given in the question? You need to write. What is given in the question? There were 81 people traveling in a train. How many people are traveling in a train? So, what is given? People traveling in a train. How many are traveling? Is equal to 81. Okay, people traveling in a train is equal to 81. Now write ones place and tens place here. You know how to write ones place and tens place for a 2-digit number, right? On your right, you need to write ones place. To the left, the number, the digit on the left side is tens place. The digit on the right side of you is ones place. Okay, so ones place and tens place. 81. What is the second point given here in the question? 9 more people got in. How many people got in? 9 more people got in. So what is the question asked? How many people are there in the train now? So total, in all. How many people are there in all in the train now? So what do you need to do? You need to add. You need to add. So what is the second point given? People got in the train. People got in the train is equal to how many people got into the train? 9. Where will you write this 9? 9 is only one digit. Here 81 is 2-digit number and you have represented ones place and tens place on that 81 number. Now where will you write 9? Write 9 in the ones place. Write 9 in the ones place, not in tens place. Children generally do this mistake. They write in tens place. Don't write in tens place. Here 9 ones are 9. So 9 should be in the ones place. Right? Now what is the question asked? How many people are there in the train now? How many are there in total now? We need to add. Put plus sign. We need to add. Add means plus sign, right? So take the bigger number in your mind. 9 in the mind. Take one finger. 9 after 10. Write 10 on this side here. And write ones place and tens place on the number. Okay. Now this 0 in 10. 0 is in ones place, right? So write this 0 here in ones place. Okay, in ones place write this 0. And 1 is in tens place. Don't write here. Take this 1 in tens place to the tens place here up. Okay, write this 1 on top of the tens place here. Don't write here. Okay, now add 8 in the mind. Take one finger. 8 after 9. So 8 in the mind. Take one finger. 1 in the fingers. Then 8 after. What you have taken in the mind? 8. 8 after 9. So 9 is the answer. Here answer is 90. So therefore total number of people, P-O-P-L-E, people now is equal to 90. Number of means NO.OF means number of, total number of people now is equal to 90. In this way you need to write word problems. Okay, you need to write in sentence form. First you need to write what is given in the question and then solve the problem, and then you need to write the answer. What is the answer you got? Okay, we shall see the second question. There are 42 people in a bus. Another 9 people get in. How many people are there in all now? So what is the question asked? There are 42 people in a bus. Already there are 42 people in a bus and another 9 people get in. So another 9 people got into the bus. How many people are there in all? What is the question asked? In all. I already told you in all is the word used to represent addition or sum or total, right? Yes. The given means whatever the information is given in the question, we will write here given. Okay. So there are 42 people in a bus. How many people are there in a bus? People in a bus is equal to 42 and another 9 people get in. How many people got into the bus? People got in bus is equal to 9. Now tell me, where do you write 9? First write ones place and tens place on this number. And where will you write 9? Children generally make mistake by writing 9 in tens place. Here 9 is only one digit. Okay, units digit. So you need to write 9 in units place or ones place. Ones place means units place. Okay, write 9 in the ones place. Do not write on the tens place. Okay, now what will you do? Will you do addition or subtraction? How do you know? You need to do addition because the question asked is how many people are there in all now. Okay, so in all means you need to do addition, right? So now take the bigger number in the mind. 9 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 9 after 10, 11. Okay, write 11. Here represent ones place and tens place now, right? So here in the ones place there is 1, write 1. In the tens place there is 1, write that 1 in this tens place. Okay, so now we have already added ones place. Now go to tens place. What are the numbers in the tens place? 4. There is no number here. Only 1 on the 4 here. So 4. 4 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 4 after 5. Right? 51. Therefore, total number of people in bus now is equal to 51. Okay, this is how you need to write the word problems in sentence form. Just adding and writing is not correct. You need to write in sentence form like this. Okay, then you will get full marks. Next we shall see the third bit. Peter bought 4 pencils. His father gave him 3 more. His mother gave him another 5. How many pencils does Peter have altogether now? So what is the word used here? What is given in the question? Peter bought 4 pencils. He bought 4 pencils. His father gave him 3 more pencils. And his mother gave him another 5 pencils, right? How many pencils does Peter have altogether? I already told you altogether means it represents addition. Altogether means addition. So you need to do addition. So we shall write the given data now. What is given? Given is Peter bought 4 pencils. How many pencils? Peter bought pencils is equal to 4. So his father gave him 3. His father gave him is equal to 3 pencils. And his mother gave him another 5. Mother gave him how many pencils? Another 5. So how many are there with Peter all together now? How many are there? You need to add. All together means addition. So how will you do now? 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. Again 7 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Okay. So next the conclusion is therefore total number of pencils with Peter is equal to 12 pencils. Okay, next question. On Monday, 56 packets of biscuits were sold and on Tuesday, 21 packets were sold. How many packets of biscuits were sold in all? So what is the question? What is the given here? What is given in the question here? On Monday, 56 packets of biscuits were sold and on Tuesday, 21 packets were sold. Given. What is given here? On Monday, packets, P-A-C-K-E-T-S, packets of biscuits sold. Packets of biscuits sold is equal to how many? 56. Okay, write ones place and tens place first. Next, on Tuesday, packets of biscuits sold is equal to how many are sold? 21. Here both are 2-digit numbers. So write ones place in ones place and 2 in tens place. Okay, now what is the question asked? How many packets of biscuits were sold in all? In all means addition, right? So 6. Take 6 in the mind. 6 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 6 after. 7, right? 7. Now, tens place. We shall do tens place now. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7. So, the result is, conclusion is, therefore, total number of packets sold is equal to 77. Okay, this is the fourth bit. Next, fifth one. Jane bought 39 books. Abdul bought 42 books. Sandhya bought 13 books. How many books did they buy in all? Okay, so Jane bought 39 books. What is given? Jane bought 39 books. Abdul bought 42 books. Sandhya bought 13 books. How many books did they buy in all? So we shall do it now. What is given? Given that Jane bought 39 books. Jane bought, what he bought? He bought books. How many he bought is equal to 39. Ones place, tens place, right? Abdul bought 42 books. Abdul bought, what he bought? He bought books is equal to how many he bought? 42, right? Next, Sandhya bought books is equal to how many books Sandhya bought? 13 books, right? 13. Now, how many books did they buy in all? In all means again addition, right? How many books they all bought in all? So, all are 2-digit numbers. Please, okay? Now, 9 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 9 after 10, 11. Keep that 11 in the mind and take 3 fingers. 11 after 12, 13, 14, right? 14, write 14 here. And write ones place and tens place here. What is under ones place? Under ones place it is 4. Write 4 under ones place. Okay. And 1 is in the tens place. Write this one. This one you take to top of this tens place and write here. Okay. Now you add all this. Right. 3 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 3 after 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 8 after 9. Okay. Therefore, total number of books bought is equal to 94. Okay.